Guys, and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to set up Tapping AI on Discord server. So guys, search on Tapping AI Discord after you install this application, guys, and go to this result as you can see here, and click just accept invitations and wait a few seconds as you can see here, guys, and it will direct to your Discord server app. And after that, guys, as you can see here, this is the Tapping AI. You just click on here, skip this, or you can choose this region and Africa, as you can see here. Click here next and click product notification and agree your rule and server, as you can see here, and click finish. So guys, this is how you can do to join this Tapping AI. I'm in this server, and you can choose this channel as you can see here. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like, share this video for more content.